Dear label wine consumers, my name is Ambra and I am the producer of L'Artigianale, Lugana DOC from Citera winery. I am the third generation of winemakers, carry on the family tradition of growing grapes and making wine. For years we have taken care of our land without the use of chemicals. We limit human intervention on an absolute minimum in both vineyard and in the cellar to obtain a wine that is a natural expression of the territory and the vintage. The Citera project is founded on my family's work in the vineyard since 1927. Our goal is to express the unique qualities of our old vines situated in Boschetti locality, a small crew of 3 hectares on clay soil in the heart of Lugana country. In the vineyard, planted with 50 years old Lugana vines, there is a reduced quantity of fruit per plant. When the fruit is dry, the stalk has been removed, the grapes are left in their own juice for 1 whole day in their skin. The procedure, with no pressing involved, produces a finished must, which ferments in concrete vats. Once it has become wine, it will remain fermented for 2 or 3 years. After, it will age for 3 months in the bottle. As the wine matures and refines, it evolves and shows its personality. You can smell hints of honey, light citrus touch, medicinal air, and strong mineral notes. A light salty aftertaste follows. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Cheers!